Guys, you know Motorola unveiled the Edge 40 Pro exactly 1 month ago, and today the company followed up with the vanilla model, the Motorola Edge 40. So today we are going to review it, starting with the design. It's come in black, green and blue, 3 different colors, where green color is made by leather material and lunar blue is made by plastic material. Its overall weight is 167 gram and thickness is 7.6 mm. So due to slim and lightweight along with curved back, your hand feel will be very good. So overall this is very good looking smartphone. Moving on to the display, the Motorola Edge 40 is built around a 6.5 inches Full HD Plus OLED panel that supports 144Hz refresh rate and 1200 nits peak brightness as well. It also supports HDR10 Plus as well, but I think in this price range it is not value for money. There should be 2K resolution display instead of Full HD resolution. Talking about performance, Motorola Edge 40 runs on Android 13 out of the box, and it is powered by Dimensity 8020 chipset that is based on 6nm technology with this 2.6 GHz clock speed as. But in this price range, 6nm chipset is not justifiable, because in this price range there are smartphones that is giving you 4nm chipset. Moving on to the back, we get a square-shaped camera island housing 2 LED flash modules and 2 camera sensors as well, which include 50 megapixel primary camera and 13 megapixel ultra wide. Here primary sensor also support optical image stabilization and you can record 4K video on 30 fps. Talking about some extra feature, the Motorola Edge 40 also comes with Dolby Atmos and stereo speakers, and it has 4400 mAh battery that supports 68 watt fast charging and 15 watt wireless charging as well. So overall Motorola Edge 40 is not value for money. In this price range you can check out Xiaomi 13 Ultra as well, that is giving you very good specification, and we also did review of Motorola Edge 40 Pro as well. You can check out these video as well. And at the last, please don't forget to press the subscribe button.